How to join Brookhaven Discord server. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you need to start by heading over to your application Discord. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in this page, simply go back to your home page of Discord. In this page, you have to click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then click on Join a Server. In this section, you have to enter this link, discord.com/invite/wolfpackgames. Once entered, tap on Join with Invite link. Now click on Accept Invite. And there you can see that you have successfully joined the Brookhaven Discord server. Now you will be able to chat with the people that are in this Discord server. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.